Linda here from Back Third Acre. As urban homesteaders, we typically don't have access to the same outdoor infrastructure like barns or large heated greenhouses like other homesteaders might. So we need to use the space that we do have really wisely, and spring is a really good example of that, because there's lots of things that can't happen outdoors unheated yet that need to happen within your home. So here's a few ideas and what things look like in my house right now. It is the middle of March and I live on the west coast, so let's go for a tour and see what's going on in my house. It's a little crazy right now. So this is my dining room, and as you can see I have a metal shelving unit hooked up with some grow lights on it, and it's also in front of a large window. So I'm able to get 12 trays of plants growing in here. The top one getting some light from outdoors. And then over here is where my plants move to once they are coming off the grow lights. And because I have such south-facing large windows, I'm able to capitalize on that space and use that for 9 more trays. The lower one doesn't get enough sunlight there, so I'm able to grow 9 more trays. These are peppers that I have for sale, so these are just waiting until they have some new owners. So this is a little area, a little nook in one of the bedrooms, and I have the Sunblaster grow light garden in here, and that's just another area where I can really make use of as much space as possible here. I will probably do a review on this unit at some point because I've been absolutely thrilled with it. So I've got quite a few tomatoes under there, some cilantro, loofahs, and of course basil. And of course in the kitchen wouldn't be complete without an incubator full of eggs. So I've got some quail eggs incubating here, which means I'm going to have 2 brooders of chicks at the same time, one of quail and one of chickens in the house at the same time, which is going to be a bit interesting. I have the privilege from working from home, so this is my office. It's just a small space in here, and I have a brooder full of chicks. So they will grow out here, and because I'm in here every day during the week, all day, they get used to lots of human interaction and care here. And then I have a screen over top of them because they're just starting to be able to flutter out. So I hope this really gives you some inspiration about what you can do within an indoor space on a small urban homestead. And stay tuned, I'll be doing another video shortly of all the activities that are happening outside. So I've already had a batch of quail chicks move outside, as well as bringing in some new bees and opening up those hives and seeing how they're doing this spring. Content, please like and subscribe. That really helps my channel to grow and to get in front of other people who might be interested in urban homesteading as well. Thank you.